Now we are going to create another contract with name of simple NFT dot sol. Okay, let's just comment it. SPDX license identifier MIT. Okay, and we need to specify the version of Solidity we are using, that is Pragma Solidity version will be 0.8.24. Now we are going to create the contract. This contract basically is for minting NFT. Contract simple NFT. Okay. Now we are not going to create this token everything from scratch. Instead we are going to use Openzeppelin. If you scroll down, you can see Openzeppelin ERC720 on implementation. You can just click here and see how it is implemented. Okay, this is interface they are using, but we are not going to do that. Instead we are going to just let me install it first. If you just search for Python Ape install Openzeppelin, here in the official docs, if you just click on these dependencies, you can see the package management CLI of APE. Here this is how you can see all the installed packages of this APE project. APE PM list. Okay, there is no package installed, so let me install it. To install a package, you can run this command APE PM install. Okay, this is how you need to install Openzeppelin. Let me run the command install Openzeppelin Openzeppelin contracts. Okay, let me install it. It is showing some kind of error. APE PM install open. We need to specify the version of the dependency like this. We can just create a dependency JSON folder, but we are not going to use this for only one package. Instead we are just going to copy this and paste it in our config file, api config. Just paste it here. Instead of this version we are going to use v5.2.0. once again run the command to install. It is still not installing. Let me just import ERC721. Import ERC721 from @Openzeppelin /contracts /token ERC721 ERC721.sol. How can we get the correct path? this path. Okay, let me show you how. In Openzeppelin contract GitHub, if you go to the GitHub Openzeppelin contract, from here go to contracts and then go to token and ERC720 on ERC720 on dot sol. This is the path. Okay, let me show you. Let me make a comment. Actually, this path, okay, there is a mismatch. This should be contracts, not contract. Okay, Openzeppelin. Okay, that's totally fine. I think it should work. Now we need to extend this Openzeppelin contract with our contract. So is Openzeppelin. Now we need to create a constructor. Here we need to do like this: ERC720 on. Here we need to specify the contract, that is simple NFT, and then we need to specify that symbol. Okay, symbol of our contract. So this should work, I guess. Let me save it and run the command ape compile. If you run this ape compile, it is automatically downloading Openzeppelin, because we have specified that Openzeppelin version in here, ape config. Okay, so it should run properly. Local success, local project compiled. Now I'm going to specify the compiler version in here. Just write like this: compile. Here we need to specify a contracts folder, in which folder all of our contracts will be located. So contracts folder, the folder name is contracts. If you don't want to do this, that's totally fine. It is optional actually. Version will be this project actually compatible with this version, which we are going to specify in here, 0.8.24. okay, this is the Solidity version we are going to use for our project. Okay, let me compile it once again. Ape compile. If you still get error, installing Openzeppelin, you can install it from GitHub just using this command. Run this command, this one. I already have installed it, therefore it is not empty. Afterward, I guess you have installed recommended plugins. Then if anything conflicts, then you should uninstall Openzeppelin and install it again. Okay, just use this command to uninstall it and install it again. Okay, this is how it should work.